Hi guys, so I got this package this way, so it's not that big, so it's very light. And it says fragile. Oh, it looks like a suitcase. And look, it comes with a key. Oh, it comes with 2 keys. One. Here it is. So that's the teaspoon, plates, knife up there, our spoons, two thermos, and then it came with, I like this, a bottle opener. It says beer opener. It came with this jar. Fago. I have no idea what to put in there. And that's for like your sandwiches and things. And it came with this bottle. Am I getting drunk? Came with those. And then these are really nice. So lid comes off. This bit pops out. And there you go. The inside of that. But the both of them are very much the same. I'm gonna go and wash everything and then figure out what I'm gonna do after with them.